Bàbá olóyin, Sẹ̀sán Adéhùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run. Gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí, ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀sán Adéhùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀sán Adéhùsì. Táwọn tọ́lọ́run, Bàbá olóyin gan. Bàbá olóyin original. I'm staying at Iyesi Ọ̀tà. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Iyesi Ọ̀tà. Very close to Sango Ọ̀tà in Ogun State. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Iyesi Ọ̀tà. Very close to Sango Ọ̀tà in Ogun State. I am repeating because some people after watching the program they will still be calling. Where are you located? Where are you staying? I always say it. If you watch my past videos, it's the first address I normally mention. Today, I want to tell you the spiritual powers of padlock. Spiritual powers of padlock. Some people know the usefulness of padlock to close door. When you close your door, you tighten it with your padlock. You have locker in the hostel, you use padlock. You have your wardrobe, you use padlock sometimes to lock it. You have pipe-borne water or borehole water, that this tap. Sometimes many people lock it with padlock. I want to tell you the spiritual powers of padlock and how you need to be careful when you are using spiritual padlock. Once you have put one or two leaves on it, it has turned to spiritual padlock. See, padlock, padlocks. See, get seated. Don't forget, I publish many books. I'm a writer and publisher. See my books. This is African Power Part 1. This is African Power Part 2. This is Honey as a Medicine book. This is Solution to Woman Problems book. And this is Healing Power of Honey. Healing Power of Honey. I have 5 books in the market. Another book is coming. Another book is coming this very year, 2023. Another book is coming on the way. I am busy compiling the book now. I want to make sure that the materials that you see in the book, the materials will be very common. Yes, another book is coming. As earlier said, I will give you the address of Lagos office. But I need to tell you small thing fast now. What I earlier told you, you know padlock. Some people, when they get court case in Africa, they can use padlock. When they put one or two things, when they put one or two leaves, when they add them together, they will paste it with leopard skin. They attach it with padlock. Then they read some incantation. They will padlock it. Unless this padlock is opened, the case will not open. The case is closed. They will always adjourn. They will always adjourn. We are adjourning. That is why some cases in Africa, you can see some people when they get land tussle among themselves, they can spend 20 years, 30 years. The judge will not judge the case. They will transfer some judges. Some judges will retire. Some judges will die due to age. And the case will still be pending. Yoruba get power. Africa get power. There are some people, they want to get transfer. If they don't want to go on transfer, they use padlock. I don't want them to transfer me. Mr. So is in charge of transfer. I don't want him to transfer me. He will lock it. He will not transfer the person. Our landlord has given us quick notice. He wanted to reject all of us. I don't want to be among, or even I don't want him to do that. Some people can use padlock. See, you have different types of padlock. It depends on the thing your mom has you to bring for this work. But what I want to tell you, if they do any spiritual work for you, for padlock, they ask you to go and put it inside lagoon or inside a flowing river. If all these people who used to catch fish, fishermen, if one of them happen to carry this your padlock and they open it, your case will open again. Yes. Sometimes when these fishermen on the water, when they throw their nets on river, when they bring it out like this, plenty fishes will come along with the net. And in some cases, sometimes they normally see padlock and they believe they have padlocked the lock of somebody. So they will like to open it so that they will free such a person from the evil bondage. When they take hammer to break it, under the pretext that they want to help the person, it's another thing that will happen. So why you always advise person? You want to bury it because they tell you to go and put it in a river, to put it in a very long distance, to put it in a lagoon, so that people will not be able to see it to open. And some people used to wicked people. If your herbalist do it for you, you refuse to go back. If the padlock and the key still with him, he can open it in your absence. Then you have problem again. I don't say it's common with them, but I know some people can do. If you get this type of padlock, they do for you, go and put it inside river so that nobody will see it again. If I were you, I will bury it in my compound where bricklayer will never do work again. Or if I know they want to do work, I will mark the portion so that I will bring it up by myself. Yes, I am telling you this secret. People can use it to save you, but when fishermen happen to see it, they carry it inside when they carry it from the river, from the top and bottom of the river to outside. They see a very long padlock like this. They normally break it. When they break it, if I have a case in the court, your case file will open again. Then you have a problem again. You want to go on transfer, or you're a politician, they did it for you. You have been using 3 years, 4 years. When they break this padlock in your absence, case will rise up against you. So when using padlock, people should be very, very, very careful, is what I want to tell you today. Padlock is good. People are using it. But when you are using it, the lock padlock, that they have prepared some charms with it, be careful. Wherever you want to bury it or where you want to throw it, so that other person will not break it in your absence. When they break it, your problem will start again. Some people didn't know what I'm saying. You're an herbalist or a prophet, spiritualist. You do padlock for somebody. Try to bury it by yourself. If you give the person or you yourself, you throw it inside river, inside lagoon. If fishermen or any other person happen to see the padlock, they will break it. All the things you have been when you ṣe ọwọ́ tàgádágodo wọn, ọwọ́ tàgádágodo wọn, aláwọ̀ ẹkùn, aláwọ̀ agídítí, ọwọ́ tàgádágodo wọn. They say we have seen their padlock, the one they prepare with leopard skin, the one they prepare with crocodile skin. We have seen it. Enemies will not get power to overcome us. When you are using padlock, once again, be very, very careful. If they do spiritual work that concern padlock, they ask you to go and throw inside lagoon. Think twice. Think twice. They ask you to go and put it inside flame river. If somebody can see it and open it, the problem will start again. See, they can use different kinds of padlock for spiritual work. But I am telling you authoritatively, you need to put it in a very safe place. Even if you put it in in toilet, or this pit toilet, latrine, people call it latrine in the olden days. When these people come to carry that shit, they may carry this one with it. But when you bury it by yourself in a safe place and you watch it, it will remain there forever. It's the tips I want to give you today. Yes. You want to buy my books and honey, you can come to Precautions bus stop, Yesiota. From Sango, enter Maruwa to Yaneyesi. At Yaneyesi, gently cross the road. You see Okada people, you see Maruwa. Tell any of them you are going to Precautions bus stop, Yesiota. If you are coming from Owode Diroko, Atan Ijuota, you are coming from Owode, Agbara, Igbesa. When you are coming, enter motor going to Duore, drop at Yaneyesi. You will see Okada people. You see Maruwa, enter any of them. Tell anybody you see you are going to Precautions bus stop, Yesiota. Monday to Friday, we are always there. If you're in Lagos State, I have branches in Lagos State. You can go to number 4 Alokolaro Street, CCAF Communications. Number 4 Alokolaro Street. Number 4 Alokolaro Street, Mushin bus stop, Mushin, Lagos State. If you are coming from my 2 to Mushin, enter motor going to Oshodi, drop at Yanesolo. When you drop at Yanesolo, that Daliko, ask anybody, you are going to number 4 Alokolaro Street. The office very close to General Hospital, Mushin. You are in Ikotu Egbe side. Go to number 2 Femi Osobu Street. Number 2 Femi Osobu Street, Agodo Market, Agodo Egbe. From Select bus stop Egbe, enter Maruwa going to Agodo Market. Agodo Market, Egbe. When you reach Agodo Market, ask for number 2 Femi Osobu Street. Mubo Mrs. Ewe is here to save for you. You can also get my books as e-books on your WhatsApp or email. But if you're in Nigeria, if you can pay for delivery, we can send the books to you. We can send the books to you. We go to Korea office every Tuesday. By Wednesday or Thursday, you get your book. Yes. If I know other countries, we can also send the book once you can pay for delivery. Yes. Don't forget, another book is coming. You will like it. Some people are even paying in advance for the book. I'm surprised. I asked them, the book that we never do typesetting, talk less of going to printing press. They said they have to believe that what they are going to see in the new book must be genuine. As all my books are working. Open following, thank God. I thank God. Yes. And during this hard time, some people are even sending me money. They're sending money to me. Baba, we hear what is happening in your country. How are you coping? We say, I told them, ọwọ́ Ọlọ́run la wà o. Some people say, Baba, manage this, manage that. Well, I thank you. I appreciate. I told you in my last video. Some people are even asking me if I can come and rest in their country. I said, no. Ohun gbogbo lọ́wọ́ Olúwa ló wà. Ìròyìn ayọ̀ la fún gbogbo yín. Adìẹ tí ò bá kú, ló máa ń ròyìn kọ́ọ́lí. A fún yín ròyìn ayọ̀. Ẹ̀yin ṣàṣe báyìí, ẹ fàdúrà ràn wá lọ́wọ́. Ẹ fàdúrà ràn wá lọ́wọ́. Kò síbi tá a fẹ́ sá lọ. Àdúrà ni kẹ́ ẹ fi ràn wá lọ́wọ́. Wọ́n náà kó wa ti kówó sọ́wọ́ wọn o. Àwọn wojú Ọlọ́run. Àwọn ọmọ kìnìún tẹ́ ẹ rí yẹn, wọ́n á máa ṣaláìní, ebi a sì máa pa wọ́n. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹni ó bá gbẹ́kẹ̀lé Olúwa kò ní ṣaláìní ohun tó dáa. Yes. If you like today's program, give me thumbs up. Give your comments on the comment section to know that you are enjoying my program. Share among friends and relatives. If you have never subscribed, try to subscribe. Then you can also watch me on another channel, Baba Oloyin Original Television. Baba Oloyin Original Television. And my son channel, if you watch it, you will see me there as well. I used to feature there. Mr. Last Born Comedy, Adewusi. Mr. Last Born Comedy, Adewusi. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.
Bàbá Olóyin, Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run. Gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí, ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.